Hello students. So in this session we will discuss regarding the matrix method. So the question is, solve the system of linear equations using matrix method. Observe here, solve is there. So you need to find the value of x and y. So they have given these two equations. With the help of matrix method you need to find the values of x and y. See here how to solve by matrix method. So here the given system of equations can be written in the form of Ax equals to B. So the procedure to find the values of x and y is as same as the finding the consistent system as I solved in the previous video. But here you need to find the matrix X. So X matrix, that is the values of x and y. That's why they have asked here, solve the system of linear equations using matrix method. So first of all we need to write the given equations in the form of Ax equals to P. So what is A here? A is the coefficient matrix, that is 5, 2, 7, 3. Just I am writing the coefficients of x and y in the matrix A, and x is variable matrix, that is x, y, and B matrix is constants, that is 4 and 5. So as usual we need to check whether the given matrix is singular or non-singular. So that is determinant of A. So how to find the determinant here? 5, 2, 7, 3. So multiplying 5 into 3, that is 15 minus this 2. So 14, 7 to is 14. What will get? 1. So determinant of A is equals to 1, which is not equals to 0. So what it implies? Thus A is what? Non-singular matrix. So definitely if A is determinant of A does not equals to 0, then it is non-singular matrix. Then A inverse exists. So it is said to be what? Consistent. For consistent it is sufficient. But here what they have asked, we need to find the values of x and y, these two. So A is non-singular matrix. Therefore A inverse exists. So we need to find the values of A inverse. So what is the formula for A inverse here? So A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So you know already determinant of A. We need to calculate the adjoint of A of order 2. That is a square matrix of order 2 rows and 2 columns. So first we need to find what? Adjoint of A. So adjoint of A. How to find the adjoint? So interchanging of these two places. Interchanging the places of these two elements and change of sign of these two elements. So directly if it is of order 2 cross 2, we can write directly adjoint of A. If it is of order 3, then we need to find its cofactors. Then transpose of cofactor matrix is adjoint of matrix. So I will write it as 3, 5, minus 2, minus 7 is your what? Adjoint of A. Therefore A inverse is equals to what? What is determinant of A? 1. So 1 into 3 into minus 7, 2 minus 5. We find the A inverse here. But we need to find what? These values. This is the matrix equation, that is Ax is equals to B. So Ax is equals to B. Can I write X is equals to A inverse B? Because see here, what is the matrix equation? Ax is equals to B. Therefore, X is equals to 1 by A into B. 1 by A can be written as what? A inverse equal to B. Therefore, X is equals to A inverse into B. That's why X is equals to A inverse into B. We already find the values of X inverse, A inverse here. So, what is that? 3 minus 7 minus 2, 5. So, what is B matrix here? So, B matrix is 4, 5. So, 4, 5. So, here it's of order how much here? 2 rows and 2 columns. Here 2 rows, 1 column. So, number of columns in first matrix is equals to the number of rows in second matrix. Both are equal. So, then it holds good for multiplication. So, first we need to multiply. So, while multiplying, remember your answer should be 2 rows and 1 column. You will get here only. These two numbers should be equal. And your answer is equals to 2 rows and 1 column. Whatever left no here, that whatever you multiply afterwards, you will get the answer as 2 rows and 1 column. So here multiply first row into first column. So 3 4s is 12. Minus 2 into 5 minus 10. So here as second row into first column. So 7 4s is 28. So minus into plus is minus plus 25. So matrix X is equals to this one. So this X matrix is equals to what here? XY. So can I write like this? And 12 minus 10 is 2. And minus 28 plus 25 is minus 3. Therefore, X is equals to what? 2. Y is equals to minus 3. These are the values of X and Y. For verification, just you need to substitute the values of X and Y in the given equation. So, what is the equation? 5X plus 2Y is equals to 4. Here, you need to substitute the values of X and Y, and you need to prove here LHS is equals to RHS. So, first take the LHS part. So, 5X plus 2Y. So, 5 into 2, the value of X is 2, the value of Y is minus 3. So, what is the answer? 10 minus, so here 6, which is equals to RHS. So, your answer is correct. So, in this way, we need to solve the matrix method. So, up to the here, A inverse as usual you need to solve. Here you need to write the X in terms of X is equals to A inverse of B and multiply these two matrices, you will get the values of X and Y. Thank you.